Now we will see our fifth chapter, that is when people rebel, 1857 and after. Policies and the people. In the previous chapters, you looked at the policies of the East India Company and the effect they had on different people. Kings, queens, peasants, landlords, tribals, soldiers were all affected in different ways. You have also seen how people resist policies and actions that harm their interest or go against their sentiments. Now, Nawabs lose their power. The first thing we'll see that Nawabs they lose their power. Since the mid 18th century, Nawabs and Rajas had seen their power erode. They had gradually lost their authority and honor. उन्होंने authority honor सब कुछ घुमा दिया था. They lost it. Residents had been stationed in many courts. The freedom of the rulers reduced. Their armed forces disbanded and their revenues and territories taken away by stages. Many ruling families tried to negotiate with the company to protect their interests. For example, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi wanted the company to recognize her adopted son as the heir of the kingdom after the death of her husband. हम जानते हैं कि रानी लक्ष्मीबाई उनके हस्बैंड की डेथ के बाद जो उन्होंने सन अडॉप्ट किया था उनको वो अपने किंग के तरीके से हायर करें. नाना साहेब द अडॉप्टेड सन ऑफ पेशवा बाजीराव टू pleaded that he be given his father's pension when the latter died. पेशवा बाजीराव के जो सन थे अडॉप्टेड सन थे वो भी यही चाहते थे उनके फादर का पेंशन उन्हें मिले. However, the company, confident of its superiority and military powers, turned down these pleas. Awadh was one of the last territories to be annexed. अवध एक लास्ट टेरिटरी था. In 1801, a subsidiary alliance was imposed on Awadh and in 1856 it was taken over. Governor General Dalhousie declared that the territory was being misgoverned and the British rule was needed to ensure proper administration. जो डेल हाउसी गवर्नर जनरल थे उन्होंने डिक्लेयर किया कि ये जो टेरिटरी है वो बहुत मिसगवर्न हो रही है, अच्छे से एडमिनिस्टर नहीं हो रहा है. सो ही टोल्ड दैट ब्रिटिश रूल यहाँ पे ज़रूरी है ताकि प्रॉपर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो सके. द कंपनी इवन बिगेन टू प्लान हाउ टू ब्रिंग द मुगल डायनेस्टी टू एन एंड. मुगल डायनेस्टी को कैसे ख़त्म किया जाए कंपनी ये भी प्लान बना रही थी. The name of the Mughal king was removed from the coins minted by the company. मुगल का जो किंग का जो कॉइन पे एक मिंट होता था वो भी उन्होंने कंपनी ने निकाल दिया. In 1849, Governor General Dalhousie announced that after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out of the Red Fort and given another place in Delhi. जब ये इनकी डेथ हो जाएगी बहादुर शाह जफ़र की कि जो उनकी फैमिली है उनको वहाँ से शिफ्ट कर देंगे रेड फोर्ट से एंड उनको दूसरी प्लेस दे दी जाएगी दिल्ली के अंदर रहने के लिए. In 1856, Governor General Canning decided that Bahadur Shah Zafar would be the last Mughal king. उन्होंने डिसाइड कर दिया कि ये जो बहादुर शाह जफ़र है वो लास्ट मुगल किंग रहेंगे और उनके डेथ के बाद कोई भी इनका डिसेंडेंट्स रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया जाएगा एज अ किंग. दे वुड जस्ट बी कॉल्ड प्रिंस. उनको सिर्फ प्रिंस ही कहा जाएगा. The peasants and the sepoys. In the countryside, peasants and zamindars resented the high taxes and the rigid methods of revenue collection. Many failed to pay back their loans to the money lenders and gradually lost the lands they had tilled for generations. उन्होंने मनी लैंडर से लोन लिया था और अगर ये पे नहीं कर पाते थे तो उन्हें वो लैंड दे देनी पड़ती थी. तो इस चीज़ में बहुत सारे ऐसे थे जो फेल हो गए और उनकी जो लैंड थी वो मनी लैंडर्स की हो गई. द इंडियन सिपॉइज इन द एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द कंपनी ऑल्सो हैड रीजन फॉर डिसकंटेंट. दे वर अनहैप्पी अबाउट देयर पे. उनको जो पे करते थे अलाउंसेस थे कंडीशंस थी सर्विसेज की वो उससे हैप्पी नहीं थे, खुश नहीं थे. Some of the new rules, moreover, violated their religious sensibilities and beliefs. Did you know that in those days many people in the country believed that if they crossed the sea, they would lose their religion and caste? ये लोग ये मानते थे कि अगर वो किसी ने सी क्रॉस कर दी तो वो अपना रिलीजन और कास्ट दोनों ही गुमा सकते थे. So when in 1824 the sepoys were told to go to Burma by the sea road to fight for the company, they refused to follow the order. उन्होंने तब मना कर दिया कि हम ये ऑर्डर फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. Though they agreed to go by the land route, और उन्होंने अग्री कर दिया कि वो लैंड रूट से जाने के लिए रेडी है to fight for the company. So they were severely punished, and since the issue did not die down, तब उनको बहुत ज़्यादा punishment भी दी गई. और in 1856 the company passed a new law. क्या law था? Which stated that every new person who took up employment in the company's army had to agree to serve overseas if required. मतलब कि अगर सी के उस पार भी जाना पड़े तो उनकी कंपनी के लिए जाना पड़ेगा. That was the new rule. Sepoys also reacted to what was happening in the countryside. Many of them were peasants and had families living in the villages. So the anger of the peasants quickly spread among the sepoys. Anger जो है वो sepoys के against spread हो गया. Responses to reforms. The British believed that Indian society had to be reformed. Laws were passed to stop the practice of sati. Sati जो practice चल रही थी उसको भी pass किया था stop करने के लिए, and to encourage the remarriage of widows. मतलब जो विधवाएं हैं, widows हैं, उनकी remarriage हो जाए. English language education was actively promoted. After 1830, the company allowed Christian missionaries to function freely in its domain and even own land and property. In 1850, a new law was passed to make conversion to Christianity easier. Christianity में convert करने के लिए. This law allowed an Indian who had converted to Christianity to inherit the property of his ancestors. Many Indians began to feel that British were destroying their religion. ये क्या करते थे कि अगर उनको उनकी लैंड चाहिए तो उन्हें वो क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट हो जाना था. तो कुछ इंडियंस को लगता था कि ये अपने रिलीजन डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहता है हमारा. सो देयर सोशल कस्टम्स एंड द ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ लाइफ, मतलब उनके सोशल कस्टम्स हैं, रीति रिवाज है, उनका ट्रेडिशनल वे है, वो सब डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहते थे ब्रिटिशर्स. देयर वर ऑफ कोर्स अदर इंडियंस हु वांटेड टू चेंज एग्जिस्टिंग सोशल प्रैक्टिसेस. You will read this about these reforms in the next chapters. Through the eyes of the people. To get a glimpse of what people were thinking those days about British rule, you can read this sources 1 and 2. A mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. Though struggles between rulers and the ruled are not unusual, sometimes such struggles become quite widespread as a popular resistance, so that the power of the state breaks down. A very large number of people begin to believe that they have a common enemy and rise up against the enemy at the same time. For such a situation to develop, people have to organize, communicate, take initiative and display the confidence to turn the situation around. पहली चीज़ यही थी कि सबको एक साथ होना पड़ता था. मतलब अगर सारे लोग बिलीव करते कि उनका सब एक ही कॉमन एनिमी है तो दे हैड टू बी वेरी पावरफुल अगेंस्ट देम. Mutiny means when soldiers as a group disobey their officers in the army. एक ग्रुप सोल्जर्स जो होता है वो ग्रुप बना के डिसओबे करते हैं ऑफिसर्स को उनकी आर्मी में कि हम वर्क नहीं करेंगे कुछ ऐसे. Such a situation developed in the northern parts of India in 1857. Now, after 100 years of conquest and administration, the English East India Company faced a massive rebellion that started in May 1857. 1857 में ये शुरू हुआ and threatened the company's very presence in India. Sepoys mutined in several places, beginning from Meerut, that is Meerut, and a large number of people from different sections of society rose up in rebellion. Some regard it as the biggest armed resistance to colonialism in the 19th century anywhere in the world. मतलब ये फिर एक शुरू हो गया 1857 में मई में कि रिबेल करना, ठीक है, against those. सो 1857 में से उन्होंने मतलब ये इनके अगेंस्ट हो गए जिसको हम विद्रोह कहते हैं, रिबेल करना उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया. फ्रॉम मेरठ टू दिल्ली. On 29 March 1857, a young soldier whose name was Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. बारकपुर में उनको हैंग कर दिया, डेथ सेंटेंस दे दी क्योंकि उन्होंने अटैक किया था ऑफिसर्स पे. Some days later, some sepoys of the regiment at Meerut refused to do the army drill using the new cartridges, which were suspected of being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. 85 sepoys were dismissed from service and sentenced to 10 years in jail. इनको 85 sepoys थे उनको dismiss कर दिया, सर्विस में से निकाल दिया और उनको 10 years की जेल हो गई for disobeying their officers. ये चीज़ हुई 9 मई 1857 को. The response of the other Indian soldiers in Meerut was quite extraordinary. On 10 May, the soldiers were marched to the jail in Meerut and released the imprisoned sepoys. उन्होंने वो जो जेल में sepoys को डाला था उनको रिलीज किया. They attacked and killed British officers and they captured guns and ammunition and set fire to the buildings and properties of the British. उन्होंने आग लगा दी जो ब्रिटिश की प्रॉपर्टीज थी और उनकी बिल्डिंग्स पे और वॉर डिक्लेयर कर दिया ऑन द फिरंगीज. The soldiers were determined to bring an end to their rule in the country. वो एक चाहते थे कि इनका रूल खत्म हो जाए कंट्री में. But who would rule the land instead? The soldiers had an answer to this question. The Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. The sepoys of Meerut rode all night of 10 May to reach Delhi. पूरी रात वो लोग चले ताकि वो दिल्ली पहुंच सके. In the early next morning, as news of their arrival spread, the regiments stationed in Delhi also rose up in rebellion against British officers were killed, arms and ammunition seized, buildings set on fire. Triumphant soldiers gathered around the walls of the Red Fort where the Badshah lived, demanding to meet him. The emperor was not quite willing to challenge the mighty British power, but the soldiers were persisted. उन्होंने सोल्जर्स बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एक उन्होंने डिसाइड कर दिया था कि नहीं हमें ये करना ही है. They forced their way into the palace and proclaimed बहादुर शाह जफर as their leader. वो बहादुर शाह जफर को अपना लीडर प्रोक्लेम करने लगे. The aging emperor had to accept this. The aging emperor had to accept this demand. He wrote letters to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight the British. This single step taken by Bahadur Shah Zafar had great implications. वो अपनी एज भी उनकी हो रही थी तो वो थोड़ा थे ऐसे उनको फील हो रहा था कि कैसे होगा सब. So the Mughal dynasty had ruled over a very large part of the country. Most smaller rulers and chieftains controlled different territories on behalf of the Mughal ruler. Threatened by the expansion of British rule, many of them felt that if the Mughal emperor could rule again, they too would be able to rule their own territories once more under Mughal authority. British had not expected this to happen. British ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ये चीज़ें भी हो सकती है. They thought the disturbance caused by the issue of the cartridges would die down. But Bahadur Shah Zafar's decision to bless the rebellion changed the entire situation. वो ये जो विद्रोह कर रहे थे वो जैसे उनके लिए वो bless कर रहे थे तो वो एक dramatically वो entire situation जो है वो change हो गई. Often when people see an alternative possibility, they feel inspired and enthused. मतलब वो इंस्पायर होते हैं, प्रोत्साहन मिलता है उनको. It gives them the courage and hope and a confidence to act. वो act कर सके इसलिए उनको confidence भी मिलता है. The rebellion spreads. After the British were routed from Delhi, there was no uprising for almost a week. It took that much time for news to travel, then a spurt of mutinies began. Regiment after regiment mutinied and took off to join other troops at nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. After them, the people of the towns and villages also rose up in rebellion and railed around local leaders, zamindars and chiefs who were prepared to establish their authority and fight the British. सारे लोग जो टाउन के थे लोग थे सारे वो पीपल वो सारे ये रिबेलियन में वो भी जुड़ गए सब. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of the late Peshwa Bajirao, who lived near Kanpur, gathered armed forces and expelled the British garrison from the city. He proclaimed himself Peshwa. He declared that he was a governor under Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. In Lucknow, Birjis Qadar, The son of deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was proclaimed the new Nawab. ये भी एक जो नवाब थे, he was the son of Wajid Ali Shah. He too acknowledged the suzerainty of Bahadur Shah Zafar. His mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the uprising against the British. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai joined the rebel sepoys. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई भी झांसी में उन्होंने भी सिपॉइज को ज्वाइन किया एंड शी ऑल्सो फॉट द ब्रिटिश along with Tatya Tope, the general of Nana Sahib. In the Mandla region of Madhya Pradesh, Rani Avanti Bai Lodi of Ramgarh raised and led an army of 4,000 against the British. यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने अवंती बाई लोरी रानी ने यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट हो गए. The British were greatly outnumbered by the rebel forces. They were defeated in a number of battles. This convinced the people that the rule of the British had collapsed for good and gave them the confidence to take the plunge and join the rebellion. A situation of widespread popular rebellion developed in the region of Awadh in particular. On 6 August 1857, we find a telegram sent by the colonial titular to his commander-in-chief expressing the fear felt by the British. Our men are cowed by the numbers opposed to them and the endless fighting. Every village is held against us. The zamindars have risen to oppose us. ये उन्होंने एक टेलीग्राम उन्होंने भेजा था कि सारे जो ज़मींदार है वो भी हमारे अगेंस्ट हो गए हैं. Many new leaders came up. For example, Ahmadullah Shah, a Maulvi from Faziabad, professed that the rule of the British would come to an end soon. उन्होंने ऐसे कहा कि रूल खत्म हो जाएगा ब्रिटिश का. He caught the imagination of the people and raised a huge force of supporters. He came to Lucknow to fight the British. In Delhi, a large number of Ghazis or religious warriors came together to wipe out the white people. Bakht Khan, a soldier from Bareilly, took charge of a largely force of fighters who came to Delhi. He became a key military leader of the rebellion in Bihar. An old zamindar, Kuwar Singh, joined the rebel sepoys and battled with the British for many months. Leaders and fighters from across the land joined the fight. बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसे join किया. Now the company fights back. Unnerved by the scale of the upheaval, the company decided to repress the revolt with all its might. It brought reinforcements from England, passed new laws so that the rebels could be convicted with ease. वो नए लॉज लाए ताकि ये जो रिबल्स है उनको इजीली वो कन्विक्ट कर सके एंड मूव्ड इन द स्टॉर्म सेंटर्स ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट. दिल्ली वाज द रिकैप्चर्ड फ्रॉम द रेबल फोर्सेस इन सितंबर 1857. रिकैप्चर कर दिया था. द लास्ट मुगल एम्परर बहादुर शाह जफर वाज ट्राइड in court and sentenced to life imprisonment. उनको उम्र कैद की सज़ा दे दी. He and his wife Begum Zinat Mahal were sent to prison in Rangoon in October 1858. Bahadur Shah Zafar died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. जेल में उनकी डेथ हो गई. The recapture of Delhi, however, did not mean that the rebellion died down after that. People continued to resist and battle off the British. The British had to fight for 2 years to suppress the massive forces of popular rebellion. बहुत उनको फाइट करना पड़ा था ब्रिटिशर्स को भी ताकि उन्हें सारा उनको वापस मिल सके. Lucknow was taken in March 1858. Then Rani Lakshmibai was defeated and killed in June 1858. इनकी डेथ हो गई थी तब. A similar fate awaited Rani Avanti Bai, who after initial victory in Kheri chose to embrace death when surrounded by the British on all sides. खुद ने वो डेथ एक्सेप्ट कर ली जब उनको ब्रिटिश ने सराउंड कर दिया. तात्या तोपे escaped to the jungles of central India and continued to fight a guerrilla war with the support of many tribal and peasant leaders. He was captured, tried and killed in April 1859. April 1859 में उनको भी मार दिया गया था. Just as victories against the British had earlier encouraged rebellion, the defeat of rebel forces encouraged desertions. The British also tried their best to win back the loyalty of the people. They announced rewards दिए for loyal landholders and would be allowed to continue to enjoy traditional lives. उनको अपना traditional rights भी enjoy करने देंगे. So those who had to rebel were told that if they submitted to the British, मतलब वो British को अपने आप को सौंप दे, if they had not killed any white people, अगर वो किसी white people को मतलब उनको नहीं मार रहे गोरों को, they would remain safe and their rights and claims to land would not be denied. उनके rights और claims जो है land पे वो भी उनसे नहीं लिए जाएंगे. Nevertheless, hundreds of sepoys, rebels, nawabs and rajas were tried and बहुत सारे नवाब्स और राजास को death sentence दे दी थी. Aftermath. The British had regained control of the country by the end of 1859, but they could not carry on ruling the land with the same policies anymore. Given below are the important changes that were introduced by the British. Some changes are given below that were introduced by the British. The British Parliament passed a new act in 1858 and transferred the powers of East India Company to the British Crown in order to ensure a more responsible management of Indian affairs. उन्होंने British Crown को अपने powers transfer कर दिए. A member of the British cabinet was appointed Secretary of State for India and made responsible for all matters related to the governance of India. उन्होंने ये भी बना दिए. He was given a council to advise him, जिसको कहा जाता था Indian Council. The Governor General of India was given the title of Viceroy. Governor General से उनको title दिया गया था Viceroy का, and that is a personal representative of the Crown. Through these measures, the British government accepted direct responsibility for ruling India. इस तरीके से उन्होंने इंडिया पे रूल करने को एक्सेप्ट कर दिया. Now we will see second thing. All ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territory would never be annexed in future. They were allowed to pass on their kingdoms to their heirs, including adopted sons. फिर वो adopted sons को भी hire कर सकते थे. However, they were made to acknowledge the British Queen as their sovereign paramount. Thus, the Indian rulers were to hold their kingdoms as the subordinates of the British. वो उनके subordinates कहा जाते थे. Third thing is, it was decided that the proportion of Indian soldier in the army would be reduced. So Indian armies reduce कर दी जाएगी और जो उसकी मात्रा है उसमें, and the European soldiers थे वो increase कर देंगे उसमें. It was also decided that instead of recruiting soldiers from Awadh, Bihar, Central India and South India, more soldiers would be recruited from among the Gurkhas, Sikhs and Pathan. इन लोगों में से ज़्यादा recruit करेंगे. The land and property of Muslim was confiscated on a large scale and they were treated with suspicion and hostility. The British believed that they were responsible for the rebellion in a big way. वो मानते थे कि ये विद्रोह करने के लिए सबसे बड़े जिम्मेदार है. The British decided to respect the customary religious and social practices of the people in India. वो उन्होंने डिसाइड कर दिया कि ये जो कस्टम्स और रिलीजियस है वो रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे और वो प्रैक्टिसेस को चालू रखेंगे. Policies were made to protect landlords and zamindars and give them security of rights over their lands. Thus, a new phase of history began after 1857. 1857 के एक नया phase शुरू हो गया history का.